Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello guys, here we are flying through to 14. We are looking at materials. We have looked at 2 already. We see them both all around us. Here we've got some pictures of those 2 materials. What are they? Do you remember? They were stainless steel and ceramic. Stainless steel and ceramic. Do you remember how they were made? One more material to look at. This material is also all around us. Can you guess what it is? Plastic is all around us. Yes. Everywhere we look, we see plastic. Sadly, it is. But plastic causes so much pollution that we don't want to talk about it. It's really bad for the environment. Very useful, but just bad for the environment. So, not something we are going to talk about. What else can you think of? Well, again, this material is also all around us. Can you guess what it is? Have a look. What can you see all around you that we can call a material? Wood. Wood. It's great. And you just look around you now. Can you see things that are made of wood? I'm sure you can. That's it. We are going to look at a special way that we use wood. Special wood? Well, it's not special wood. Actually, this is wood that is rubbish. Rubbish? Really? Look carefully at the wooden things around you. Have a look now. Why is it rubbish? Well, most of the wooden things around us are not solid wood. That means they're not made of just one piece of wood. Solid wood is more expensive, and when it is cut to the right shape, there is a lot of waste. Look at the man here. He's cutting the wood. Well, that means there's going to be a lot of very small pieces of wood that he doesn't want to use. It isn't rubbish. Maybe a better word would be waste. When you cut the wood, there's lots of very small pieces you don't want. They are waste. We are going to look at something called chipboard. chipboard. There's the name of the material. Let's say it again. Chipboard. Chipboard. Right. What is it? Well, make sure you are here next time to find out why it's so great. Look around you. You can actually see lots of chipboard. Come back soon. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.